This plugin will shorten your time spent on every project in After Effects. It is completely free and it is called FX Console from Video Copilot. You will find a link in the description, or you can just do a simple Google search and it will take you to it. I want to quickly show you how you can use this plugin from within After Effects to speed up your workflow. Traditionally, if you want to add effects to your layer, you go to Effects and Presets, search whatever effect you want to add, drag and drop it into the layer. But with FX Console, all you need to do is to select a layer, then hold down Ctrl key on your Windows and Command key on your Mac, then hit the space bar. This will bring up this little dialog box here. Let's, for instance, you want to add a wave warp. You type in your wave, look here, and it automatically add it to your layer. You just come to Effects and Control right here and make changes to your hard content. If you want to add a wiggle effect to your layer, traditionally you need to select either your position, scale or rotation, then you alt click your timeline to write in your code. Now with FX Console, you just simply bring it up, then you type in your wiggle. You will find the option of either adding it to position, rotation, scale, and whatever parameters you may want. So let's add this to the rotation. So after you add this, you can simply just come to the parameters right here and make your changes. Just like that, you have added a wiggle that comes with the parameters that you can adjust on the Effects and Control without typing in any code. Aside from quickly adding effects to your layer, there are other things you can do with FX Console. The camera icon here allows you to screenshot your frames multiple times in many different frames. And after taking those screenshots, you can access them from the gallery button right here. Just click on the gallery button and it will open up all the screenshots you have taken. From this point, you can either delete, copy or export all the screenshots. If you want to delete, just simply select the one you do not want and hit the delete button, OK it right here. Then if you want to save any of these or you want to export all, just select all, go to export, and then choose a path to where you want to save the exported image. The gear icon right here allows you to make changes to the interface of the FX Console, like changing this to either light mode or dark mode. You can also change the shortcut that brings it up. Currently it's at Control-space. You can select whatever shortcut you may want and all other useful settings right here. So let me know what you think about this free plugin. Do you think it is worth your time? Or if you have been using this plugin, we'll be happy to see what your experience are. You can leave a comment in the comment section and I will reply to all of your comments. Until I see you again on the next one, my name is SSB Otaru for Motion Digit Studios.